Aquarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong 2025. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see your love life energy here. You have the Emperor and the Hanged Man. I feel like if you are in a relationship right now, Aquarius, maaring medyo magiging controlled yung iyong mga actions towards your person. Parang gusto mo, parang pinagmamasdan mo siya, no? Inoobserbahan mo ang kanyang kilos. Lalo na kung kayo ay hindi pa matagal, no? Kumbaga, actually, kahit matagal na kayo, parang inoobserbahan mo yung kilos ng person mo. If itong person ba na ito that you are connecting with ay, kung gusto mo pa na makasama yung person na to. It's like, inoobserbahan mo siya kung paano siya mag-act sa relationship ninyo. Yes, ayan no, sa future. You're thinking about the future. Okay? Maaring you want to settle down, gusto mo na bumuo ng sarili mong pamilya with this person. Tinitingnan mo kung may kakayanan itong person na to be your partner and to be the parent, the mother or the father of your kids. You're actually dreaming about your future together. So, meron kang nagugustuhan. It's either this person, bago pa lang kayo, or meron kang person na nakilala, or merong taong nakakilala sa'yo, na inoobserbahan ka sa kinikilos mo kung ikaw ba yung wife material or husband material sa kanya. So, kahit kayo ay nasa pa lang, early stages ng relationship. So, I see someone na inoobserbahan yung galaw mo, yung kilos mo, yung attitude mo, yung behavior mo. Or pwedeng reversal yung role. Ikaw yung nagmamasid ka dito sa person mo, sa connection mo, if siya na ba talaga, no? Yung itinadhana for you. Communication. I wish I could say what I really feel. Someday I will, but right now I'm afraid to be myself. So, meron dito na withhold. Kumbaga parang pinipigilan pa niya yung kanyang sarili about dun sa mga gusto niyang sabihin. So, pwedeng the person that you're dealing with, nagpipigil pa siya na sabihin sa'yo yung mga plano niya, if this person wants to settle down. Kumbaga, tinitingnan niya kasi, no? Nag-observe siya. I know in my heart we'll be together one day. That helps me trust. Let's keep working on us. So, some of you, Aquarius, pwedeng meron ditong long distance relationship na pareho nyo alam na medyo struggle itong kind of relationship. Kasi mahirap mag-maintain ng LDR, diba? So, ngayon, tinitingnan mo, if this person is worth it. Worth it ba siya na hintayin? Worth it ba siya na pagkatiwalaan? Kasi, syempre, lalo na kung malayo kayo sa isa't isa, yun talaga trust issues talagang main concern dyan. You have Peacock and the Sea Star. Papatay ng mga cards. Peacock is like display of courage and yung tiwala If you are, yung confidence, yan. If you are confident enough sa person that you're dealing with, na kung kayo ba ay may pag-asa or meron bang kahihinatnan. With the Sea Star, this is like your dreams for your relationship. Kasi kumbaga nandun na kayo sa point na gusto nyo na magseryoso. sa relationship. And ngayon, gusto mong makita kung itong person that you're dealing with ay seryoso talaga, na worth it. The only thing that is real is love. So, hinahanap mo ngayon yung totoong pagmamahal. Miracles and blessings. I think, if you're single, maaaring bibigyan kayo ng universe ng person sa buhay ninyo na magseseryoso sa relationship. Na pwedeng ito yung minamanifest nyo, the person that will, you will settle down with, no? Have your family, have your kids. Past life. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, this can be a soulmate connection. So, kung kayo single, pwedeng meron kayong makikilala na meron kayong romantic feelings right away sa isa't isa, or parang meron kayong certain connection dahil meron kayong, yun nga, soul connection, or maaring may soulmate energy sa inyong dalawa. I feel like you are going to be more comfortable talking to this person. Na mas kumbaga sa unang usapan nyo pa lang, kwentuhan nyo pa lang, open ka na agad sa kanya sa mga tungkol sa buhay-buhay ninyo. Especially that you feel comfortable being with this person. It seems like you have known each other in the past, no? So, I feel like ngayong 2025, pagdating sa relationship ninyo, whether you have a relationship, kung may karelasyon ka man ngayon o wala, ililid ka sa taong magkakaroon ng magandang disposition sa buhay. Yung talagang seryoso, hindi yung nandito lang siya kasi gusto niya lang maglaro, gusto lang niya mag-enjoy, no? So this is a serious relationship and serious commitment na papasukin ninyo. Okay? Hindi na kayo yung tipong bahala na kung sino. You are really looking for a person that that will lead you to a stable, comfortable, happy relationship. And for some of you, no, medyo swerte kayo dahil makikilala nyo tong person na to ng ngayong 2025. So parang new beginnings, new relationship. Para siyang miracle. Masasabi mo na, this is a miracle na sa hirap na ng panahon ngayon makahanap ng partner sa buhay, 'di ba? Na totoo, na hindi ka lolokohin, 'di ba? Ngayon makakahanap kayo ng person that will be honest with you, that will be open to you. Okay? So mas makikilala mo ng lubos. And medyo may pagka-futuristic na kayo when it comes to relationship. Hindi na kayo naghahanap ng pang short term. So kung walang person na sa tingin nyo is makukuha yung inyong tiwala, parang wag na lang, ganon, no? But I see you na you want, parang gusto mo lang ngayon simpleng klase ng relasyon na walang drama, walang paligoy-ligoy. Alam mo yun, na tipong kung mahal ka, 'di ba? Wala nang mga kung ano-ano pang pambobola na gagawin. Okay? And if you love this person, hindi ka na magpapakipot. It doesn't matter kung kakikilala nyo lang kahapon. Ipapakita mo kaagad yung feelings mo with this person. I see kasi a soulmate energy, soulmate connection that you will be meeting. If you are already in a relationship, nire-reassess mo na yung person mo kung siya na ba talaga. Okay? You have Pluto, which is transformation. Pagbabago, major change in your love life. And then Aquarius energy here is focusing on the future. You have Wunyo, so you are really wanting a happy and contented relationship with someone na nakakaintindi sa'yo, someone who will take care of you, someone who will brings you happiness, pleasure, joy. You also have Iwas, which is about a rebirth. So, pagbabago talaga to. Na pwedeng totally different yung magiging karelasyon mo ngayon. If you're single, may bago na kakaiba siya doon sa mga past relationships ninyo. And this might lead you to a new chapter in your life. Like, di ba, pag kinakasal or nagsisettle down ng isang tao, new chapter yan. Okay, so major change for your romantic connection. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Good luck for 2025 and see you again.